Today, we will be replacing the brake lights on this 2004 GMC Yukon with all new LED lights from ALO Lighting. The bulbs are located here. We can reach them by opening the trunk. We will first remove the assembly to access the bulbs. Remove these two screws to loosen the assembly. Pull out the right side of the assembly first, and then pull the left side out by pulling it straight towards you. Push down this tab and turn the bulb counterclockwise to unlock. Unplug the bulb by pulling it straight out. We will be replacing it with this LED bulb from ALO Lighting. As you can see, the base sizes are the same for easy installation. Insert the new LED bulb by pushing it straight in. Line up this top tab on the bulb with this notch in the housing. Turn the bulb clockwise to lock. Now we can replace the assembly. Now we will do the same thing on the other side of the vehicle. Here is a 2004 GMC Yukon with all new LED lights from ALO Lighting. You can see the difference in brightness from the original halogen bulbs. Check out our brake lights with the strobe effect as well.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are ALO Lighting.